Welcome to AllePay's weekly crypto news and updates. Here are this week's top headlines. October liquidation fallout persists with 25% DeFi TVL drop, 18% decline in VC funding, and stricter exchange KYC. Bitcoin boosts institutional custody with bank integrations for on-chain treasury settlements. Ethereum funds quantum-resistant crypto research to secure future network integrity. TON integrates decentralized identity for seamless Telegram DApp onboarding. Polkadot allocates parachain slots to sustainability-focused green projects. Tron launches Creator Fund for decentralized media with smart contract royalties. Uniswap rolls out governance for dynamic fee structures in liquidity pools. Litecoin activates MWEB for optional privacy transactions enhancing fungibility. Polygon enhances ZK rollups for enterprise data sovereignty and compliance. Injective deploys cross-chain order book for unified derivatives liquidity. Arbitrum DAO expands Orbit stack for customizable Layer 3 governance chains. Before we proceed, please note that AllePay does not independently verify the accuracy, completeness, or timeliness of the information shared. All market insights in this weekly update are for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Follow-up updates on the October 10th liquidation event revealed lingering negative effects, including a 25% decline in overall DeFi total value locked as risk-averse users withdrew funds to stable off-chain holdings. Institutional investors have scaled back exposure, with venture funding for crypto startups dropping 18% in the subsequent quarter due to heightened volatility perceptions. Media analyses pointed to eroded confidence in leveraged trading platforms, leading to stricter KYC implementations across exchanges. Traditional outlets covered the spillover into traditional markets, with correlated dips in tech stock indices. This episode illustrates the crypto market's vulnerability to cascade failures, prompting calls for enhanced circuit breakers and risk disclosures. Bitcoin's network saw a marked increase in institutional custody integrations, with major banks announcing support for on-chain settlement rails. This development stems from collaborative efforts to standardize Bitcoin's use in treasury management, reducing counterparty risks in traditional finance. Analysts observe that such integrations could enhance Bitcoin's liquidity pools without altering its core protocol. Official announcements from Bitcoin's development community emphasized compatibility with existing enterprise systems. The trend signals a maturing pathway for Bitcoin as a corporate reserve asset. Ethereum Foundation granted funds for quantum-resistant cryptography research, aiming to future-proof the network against emerging computational threats. The initiative involves partnerships with academic institutions to prototype post-quantum signature schemes. Media reports highlight the proactive stance, given the timeline for viable quantum attacks estimated at a decade. Ethereum's X-handle detailed the grant allocation, prioritizing open-source contributions. This positions Ethereum at the forefront of long-term security innovations in blockchain design. The Open Network, TON, integrated native support for decentralized identity verification, enabling seamless user onboarding across Telegram-linked dApps. This layer leverages TON's sharding for efficient identity proofs, minimizing data exposure. Coverage in crypto outlets noted its potential to onboard millions via social graph integrations. TON's official updates outlined beta testing with privacy-preserving attestations. The feature advances TON's mission to blend messaging ecosystems with verifiable Web3 interactions. Polkadot's parachain auctions concluded with new slots allocated to sustainability-focused projects, emphasizing carbon-neutral parachains. The selection process incorporated environmental impact assessments alongside technical merits. Observers point to this as a step toward greener blockchain ecosystems. Polkadot's communications stressed relay chain optimizations for energy efficiency. Such auctions reinforce Polkadot's role in curating interoperable, purpose-driven networks. If you're finding these updates useful, please like this video and subscribe to AllePay, And don't forget to hit the bell to stay on top of the latest crypto and blockchain news. Now, let's dive into the next news. Tron launched a content creator fund backed by its ecosystem tokens, incentivizing decentralized media distribution on the network. The fund allocates resources for tools that enable royalty enforcement via smart contracts. Traditional media analyzed its implications for creator economies in emerging markets. Tron's X posts detailed application criteria, favoring open access platforms. This initiative underscores Tron's focus on high-throughput applications for digital content. Uniswap introduced governance modules for concentrated liquidity pools, allowing voters to fine-tune fee structures dynamically. The upgrade draws from community proposals to optimize capital efficiency in volatile markets. Leading DeFi media discussed its balance between decentralization and usability. Uniswap's official channels released audit reports confirming security measures. The module exemplifies Uniswap's iterative approach to protocol evolution through user participation. Litecoin activated Mimblewimble extension blocks, MWEB, for optional privacy transactions, enhancing fungibility without mandatory adoption. This extension processes confidential transactions off the main chain while maintaining transparency for public ones. Reports from crypto analysts praised its lightweight implementation compared to full privacy layers. Litecoin's development team shared integration guides for wallets. MWEB's rollout highlights Litecoin's niche as a privacy-enhanced complement to Bitcoin. Polygon deployed zero-knowledge rollup enhancements for enterprise data sovereignty, supporting compliant ZK proofs for regulated sectors. The update facilitates verifiable computations while keeping sensitive data off-chain. Industry publications covered pilot deployments in healthcare for audit trails. Polygon's announcements emphasized scalability gains from aggregated proofs. This advancement solidifies Polygon's utility in bridging Ethereum with institutional compliance needs. Injective rolled out cross-chain order book infrastructure for derivatives trading, unifying liquidity across Cosmos and EVM chains. The system employs IBC protocols for atomic settlements, reducing fragmentation. Media Insights noted its appeal for sophisticated traders seeking multi-asset exposure. Injective's X-Handle provided SDKs for custom market creation. The infrastructure propels Injective as a specialized hub for interoperable financial primitives. Arbitrum's DAO approved expansions to its Orbit stack, enabling customizable Layer 3 chains with built-in governance templates. This allows projects to launch sovereign rollups with tailored sequencing rules. Crypto media evaluated the framework's potential for niche ecosystems like gaming. Arbitrum's updates included developer bounties for Orbit integrations. The expansion democratizes advanced scaling solutions, fostering diverse applications on Ethereum's Orbit. Thank you for watching AllePay's weekly crypto news and updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you next week.